Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Steam games not launching. So first thing first, head over to your Steam application, get logged into your account, and then select Library. From your left hand side, you will see all the games that you have added to your library or downloaded. Right click onto the game that you are having problem with, select Properties. In here, select Updates. Make sure the automatic updates is set to immediately download updates. Once you do so, select Installed Files. Now select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for this to load. Once this is done, close this. Now again, select Steam here. Select Settings. And you will see Downloads from your left-hand side. Click on Downloads and let's go ahead and clear the download cache. For that, you will see Clear Download Cache. All you have to do is clear the cache. Once you do so, close this. And now see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, you have to quit out of Steam. So for that, quit out of Steam here. And now once you do so, make sure Steam is also quit from this site. So click on this drop-down menu. If you see Steam, right-click onto it and then select Exit Steam. Once you've done that, go ahead, restart your device, open your Steam again, log into your account, and this shall fix your problem. If it's still not working, then you can always uninstall Steam. For that, type in Steam here, select uninstall, and easily download it from Google. Thank you all for watching, guys. We will catch up in our next upload.